Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got a really exciting topic to talk about. Have you ever wondered why Canada and the USA might actually need Chinese electric vehicles more than ever before? Have you noticed more electric cars on the roads lately? Maybe you've seen a lot of Teslas zipping by or heard people talking about how EVs are better for the environment. But did you know that companies like BYD, NIO, and Xpeng from China could soon play a huge part in helping North America go green? Why are Chinese electric cars becoming so important? Could they make electric cars cheaper, better, and easier to buy for everyone? Stick around, because today we're going to break it all down in simple and easy words. You won't want to miss this. If you're excited to learn more, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. It really helps us bring you more awesome videos like this. Let's jump right into it. Electric vehicles are the future. Almost everyone agrees that electric vehicles, EVs, are the future of driving. Gas cars have been around for more than 100 years, and while they've been helpful, they come with many problems. They pollute the air, are expensive to fuel, and rely on oil, which won't last forever. Now, the world is shifting towards cleaner energy. Canada and the USA have promised to reduce pollution and fight climate change. A big step to achieve this is by moving from gas cars to electric cars. However, making enough electric cars for everyone isn't easy. It requires advanced technology, powerful batteries, and huge factories. Companies like Ford, GM, and Tesla are working hard, but they still can't produce enough EVs quickly or make them affordable for everyone. This is where Chinese electric car companies come in. They've been making electric vehicles for years and have learned how to produce them at a larger scale. They also have better technology and lower production costs. Simply put, Chinese EVs can help Canada and the USA move faster towards a cleaner, greener future. By working together, we can make EVs more affordable and available for everyone, helping to protect the environment. Chinese electric vehicles are more affordable. One of the main reasons many people still don't buy electric cars is because they are too expensive. Even today, many electric cars cost over $50,000, 0 cents, which is too much for most families. But Chinese electric cars are much cheaper. Brands like BYD and Wuling are making electric cars in China that cost between $5, 0 cents. For example, the BYD Dolphin costs around $20,000, and the Wuling Mini EV is just about $5,000. Even if you add shipping costs and taxes, these cars would still be much cheaper than most American-made electric cars. Imagine getting a brand new electric car for the price of a small used gas car. This could help so many people, not just the rich. Students, small business owners, delivery workers, and regular families could all drive clean, green cars without spending all their savings. Cheaper electric cars would also help speed up the switch to cleaner air and a healthier planet for everyone. More people would make the switch to electric cars, which means less pollution and a better future for all of us. Cheaper electric cars are the key to making the green future a reality. China's lead in battery technology. Batteries are the heart of every electric car. If the battery isn't good, the car won't drive far, won't charge quickly, and won't last long. Right now, China is leading the world in battery technology. Companies like CATL and BYD are making some of the best batteries available. These batteries charge faster, last longer, are safer to use, and are cheaper to produce. In fact, even Tesla buys a lot of its batteries from Chinese companies because they're that good. If Canada and the USA start using more Chinese electric cars, they would also get access to these better batteries. This means better cars for everyone. Cars that charge faster, drive farther, and are safer too. It would also mean less time spent waiting to charge and fewer worries about running out of power on the road. Better batteries would make electric cars more convenient and reliable. As battery technology improves, it would make electric vehicles more affordable and practical for more people. In the long run, Chinese battery technology can help make electric cars better, cheaper, and more dependable for everyone in North America, speeding up the move toward a cleaner, greener future, giving customers more options. Right now, if you go to a car dealership in Canada or the USA and ask for an electric car, your choices are pretty limited. You might find a Tesla, a Ford Mustang Mach-E, or a Chevrolet Bolt, and that's about it. But if Chinese electric cars come to the market, there will be so many more options for everyone. You could choose from small city cars, family-friendly SUVs, luxury electric cars, and even tiny cars perfect for students or delivery workers. More choices mean you can pick a car that fits your life, job, family, and budget. Whether you're looking for something affordable or something with all the latest features, more options will make it easier to find the right car for you. Also, more competition is always a good thing. When American, Canadian, and Chinese car makers compete, they'll have to work harder to offer better prices, better technology, and better customer service. This is great for everyone. More choices and more competition mean better deals and better cars for the customers. In the end, we all win when there are more options and more companies working to make the best cars at the best prices, helping meet environmental goals. Canada and the USA have made strong promises to fight climate change and reduce pollution. Both countries aim to reach net zero emissions by 2050 or even sooner. This means they want to reduce pollution as much as possible. One of the most important steps toward this goal is replacing gas-powered cars with electric vehicles, EVs. But there's a challenge. If North American companies can't build enough EVs quickly enough, how will they reach their goals? The truth is, they can't do it alone. That's where Chinese electric vehicles come in. Chinese car makers can help by offering millions of affordable electric cars. These cars can quickly fill the gap, helping to speed up the switch to cleaner vehicles. If more people start driving EVs sooner, we'll see a number of benefits, like cleaner air, quieter cities, and lower carbon emissions. By welcoming Chinese EVs into the market, Canada and the USA can move much faster toward their green goals. This helps protect the environment, improves quality of life, and ensures a better future for future generations. It's a win for everyone. When we make the right choice and work together, we can build a cleaner, greener world for all of us. A strong partnership between countries helps create a sustainable future for the planet and everyone who lives on it. Boosting the economy through trade. Some people might worry that bringing Chinese electric vehicles, EVs, to Canada and the US will hurt local businesses. However, it could actually help strengthen the economy. Trade between countries has always been a way to boost growth. By opening their markets to Chinese EVs, Canada and the USA can create new opportunities for everyone. First, new jobs will be created in many areas, such as selling, maintaining, and repairing these cars, as well as building better charging stations. Local businesses can also collaborate with Chinese battery makers, learning new ways to improve their products. This can lead to more innovation and growth in the industry. Here's another interesting point. Canada has a lot of minerals like lithium and cobalt, which are needed to make EV batteries. These minerals can be sold to Chinese companies, bringing in money and creating even more jobs in Canada. In the end, strong trade relationships benefit everyone. Customers get more choices and better prices, workers get new job opportunities, businesses grow, and governments see a stronger economy. By working together, Canada, the USA, and China can help build a brighter future for all. Learning from China's electric vehicle success. China has quickly become the biggest market for electric vehicles, EVs, in the world, selling more EVs than any other country. But how did they achieve this so fast? It wasn't by chance. China succeeded because they had strong government support, smart battery production, a focus on making EVs affordable, and big investments in charging networks. Canada and the USA can learn a lot from China's success. By working with Chinese EV companies, North America could find quicker ways to lower the price of EVs, improve battery supply, and build more charging stations. This would make it easier for people to switch to electric cars and help the environment. It's not about copying China's exact approach. It's about taking the best ideas and making them even better for North America. By collaborating with Chinese companies, North America can reach its environmental goals more quickly create more jobs, and provide better deals for consumers. In the end, working together can help speed up the transition to a cleaner, greener future for everyone. It's a win-win for the planet and all of us who depend on it. All right, let's wrap it up. Canada and the USA really do need Chinese electric vehicles. Why? Because they are more affordable, have better battery technology, offer more choices for customers, help meet green goals, boost the economy through trade, and even teach valuable lessons to improve the EV industry. In today's world, it's smarter to work together instead of trying to do everything alone. By welcoming Chinese EVs, North America can move faster toward a cleaner, greener, and more exciting future. Electric cars aren't just about saving money at the gas station, they're about saving the planet, building stronger economies, and creating better lives for all of us. And Chinese EVs can play a huge role in making that dream come true. Now, what do you think? Would you consider buying a Chinese electric car if it was cheaper and just as good as other brands? Or would you rather stick with local companies like Tesla or Ford? I'd love to hear what you think, so jump into the comments and let's chat about it. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more awesome content, and share this video with your friends who are thinking about going electric too. Until next time, drive safe, stay curious, and keep dreaming of a cleaner, greener world. Bye for now.